Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're returning, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be doing mini twists. It's an Outre Expression twisted up Afro spring twist hair. I have one pack of these because I bought one pack because I don't feel the need to have multiple packs. I really want to use it just to make sure my hair is full when I do these twists. And just a little backstory, I am preparing for the delivery of my baby girl at this point. So it's time for me to do this hair to make sure I don't have to worry about it once that time comes. All I'm going to be using on this style is this Natural Milk from Just For Me, which is pretty much like a pink moisturizer. And I'm going to be applying this Jamaican black castor oil on top of this gosh, what is it? Hair milk. Geez, I can't get my words together today. But that's what I'm going to be using. Okay, before I start getting too deep into this thing, I just want to show you guys the progress that I have made so far. This is only about 10 minutes in, and this is what the twists are looking like. So I'm gonna do maybe a couple of them on camera for you guys, and then, you know, this is kind of just like a repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat cycle. So once you get one or two demonstrations, it is what it is. You just keep repeating yourself and your hairstyle is gonna be done. Now, preface and say that I am not doing precise parting. This is kind of just free pull parting for the most part. I do try to do a base part, and then once I start pulling the hair, it's just what it feels like in between my fingertips to give me the size that I have right here. And like I said, I do want these to last me a while. Okay, so that's why they are so small, and my hair is nicely tucked away. Now my hair is about near the same size, same length as this twisting hair, but it's getting put away. Okay, these twists look real nice. If I do say so myself. Look at the consistency. You have to figure out which direction to twist this hair in. Some you need to go to the left, some you need to go to the right. I'm gonna try and show you guys the difference of how they look if you don't twist in the proper direction of whichever way your hair decides that it wants to go. So you have to be mindful of that. With each section that I am using, as far as the pieces of hair that comes with it, like they come like this, okay, in a chunk like this, and each of these end up being 3 different twists for me because of the size that I am going with. So this is allowing me to split this hair 3 times for this size of a twist. So just to turn around so you guys can see my parting. I don't know what it look like. I'm not putting mirrors behind my head and stuff like that. I'm just simply pulling the hair, see what it feels like in between my fingers, and twisting down from there. This is the back of the head, okay? Like I said, don't judge the back, okay? But this is what the twists are looking like so far in the back. And I love this size because it's going to give me longevity. I'm going to demonstrate how I do my twist for you in the next clip. So like I said in the beginning, I'm going to start off with a baseline part, pretty much straight across, based on how it feels in between my fingertips, because I'm not looking in the mirror. And then I'm just going to pull it apart. That feels good. And then I'm going to apply some of this Natural Milk moisturizer, pretty much pink lotion, to that entire strand of hair from root to tip, just to make sure I get moisture throughout. And then I'm going to seal it with that Jamaican black castor oil on top of that from root to tip. From here, I'm going to take my section of hair that I want to use, or the extension,
and I'm not going to split that in half. I'm just going to take that and use it as two of the 3 legs. My natural hair will be the third. And once I begin plaiting, I will just keep those individually separated, I guess, until I am ready to begin twisting. And then I'm going to make sure that my natural hair is placed in the center of those 2 extension pieces. And then I will begin to twist down. Like I said before, there's no particular count that I'm doing. I just make sure that my hair has ended up in the center in order for me to split it in half. And once I split it in half, I will begin twisting it. Now, this is a demonstration of twisting in the wrong direction. You're going to be able to tell instantly that it is the wrong direction if you let it go and it starts unraveling. The wrong direction for me was twisting with my left hand and pretty much anchoring with the right is the wrong direction. And there's the unravel. You don't want that. And just by comparing the 2 that I have done, you can see the clear difference. So now I'm going to go in and twist in the proper direction, which is twisting with my right hand and anchoring with the left, or guiding it with the left hand. And this is the spring twist that you're looking for. You see, once I even let it go at the end, that it still hangs and is not unraveling.
I was actually in the middle of recording and forgot that today is April 8th and it's the eclipse going on. You guys see how dark it is in my space? I forgot. And the clip that I just posted was so dark. It's only 3:19. Okay? And it's extremely dark. This is me in front of the window. I was using natural lighting to record. Trying to get some footage for you guys, but I need to turn on my ring light because it's too dark for me to my kid is taking over the phone. He has recorded so many videos of himself. I'm gonna insert some just so you guys can see that this is what's happening over here. Yeah, we're gonna take a break because you can't see me good. So be back when the eclipse is finished. Okay, so I have my back section done. Well, one quarter section done, and it is starting to be so full already. And it is very, very, very lightweight, you guys. I cannot feel this on my hair, and it's not tugging at my roots. It's not tight at all. This is what I love about being able to do your own hair, because you can gauge how much pressure you need to apply to your hair. You can gauge how tight, how loose you want it. It's just best to learn how to do your hair at your own time, at your own pace, so you can be able to preserve your natural hair. Some people just braid entirely too tight for no apparent reason. It's not necessary, but that me ranting. Okay, let me show you guys. This is the back section I have done so far. I don't know if you guys can see all of that. I am loving these so far, you guys. I'll probably be done by tonight. Having to stop and pause, deal with a baby, do household work. It's taking a little bit of time. Hopefully the lighting is not too bad for you guys. Like I said prior, the eclipse was taking place, and I'm sorry about that. But I have on my room light at this point. My kid then took the ring light, went haywire with it. So it is what it is. Chaos at its finest, but we are getting the job done. Okay, and I am still on that first bundle of hair, might I add. I still have 3 sections left. and 2 whole bundles left in the pack. So I am doing very well with hair management. But yeah, it's coming out really nice, and I just wanted to give you guys that update. As far as the heaviness, if it's light enough, it's super duper light. I can't feel it on my head, honestly.
So I did end up rolling over into the next day because I did run out of hair in that first pack, and I ended up finding some loose hair in my hair box. Of course, every black girl has a hair box if you do hair. I did find a couple more pieces, so that came in clutch. I didn't have to go out and buy a completely new pack of hair with all those extra bundles. Great. So this is me just giving you guys another point of view of me doing my hair from the top angle. Hopefully I'm putting this in focus so you guys can visually learn. Some people are visual learners as opposed to hearing somebody give directions. And if you're learning something from this video, please hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and leave a comment and let me know if you guys are actually learning. If you see him in the background, everything in this room is child-proof. He's not messing with anything. He don't have no business. Everything is for him in this room. So
I will get past, it's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, yeah. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side.
All right, you guys, and we have finally made it to the conclusion of this video, and I am in love with these twists. These twists are so lightweight. So lightweight. Y'all do not understand. And I made them so small, like I said before, because I am in need of a protective style that's going to last me a while. So going in and moisturizing my hair on top of sealing it with the oil is really going to allow me to be productive in retaining length and moisture with this hairstyle for a little while. Definitely given the fact that we are almost at that door of delivering this baby girl. So having my hair done in this state is going to be A1. Okay. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. It is very full, like I wanted it to, and I only used 1 pack and a couple pieces from some leftover hair that I had, and I still have more hair left over, which is always a great thing. Around so you guys can see the back. I said this is a very soft, protective style. No tension on my head whatsoever. I can pull this directly up into a ponytail if I want to right now, and I just finished doing this hair. Yeah, I'm in love. And I hope you guys are willing to try this out for yourself. Very easy hairstyle. All you need is a little time and $10, because that's about how much a pack of hair costs. If you want to get 2 packs, then make it $20. But yeah, easy, very simple hairstyle. You don't need a lot. You can even go in with hair grease and seal it like that. I'm not really a fan of using the Shine & Jam because it just makes the hair too stiff. I don't want my hair stiff when I'm doing mini twists. I want it to be able to form in with the twist like it did. So it gives it, you know, it adds that little water moisture into it when you use something like a cream or butter or a moisturizing oil, milk, whichever one you want to call it. But yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the Love It family over here. And yeah, share this video with any and everybody that you know. Until next time.